Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Well, I'm gonna make a quick unboxing of these two products. This Kemei with the model number KM1385. This is the hair trimmer, and for the hair clipper is KM1386. So, stay tuned, man. Alright. Yeah, Babyliss brought something like this out, and this is for me a copy of Babyliss 245 one. And with this one, I guess they made a little bit of an upgrade, I guess so, but not really that good as Babyliss, I think so. You know, I don't have the one of Babyliss. First of all, let's unbox the hair clipper. Uh, the hair clipper got, wait a moment, two speeds, 2000 milliamp battery, charging time 200 minutes, operating time 200 minutes, which is good. Got 5 watts, and that's all. And inside comes with this type of guards. Okay, and it's a really strong one. It's really strong, I have to say. Comes with a charging cable. Okay, charging dock. And the good thing about this dock, as you can see, these two pins, you can take the dock of the hair trimmer and put it here. There is a magnet, so it magnets the two together, so you can charge with one cable and two of them together, so which is good. So this is the hair clipper. It's a compact one. Comes with a clicky lever, 4 clicks, not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicks. So that's it. And the back side got these grooves right here, so you can see. Okay, it comes with a taper blade. Here written Kemei and the thumb indent here. USB-C. Okay, what else? Nothing else. So now let's make a sound check. Two speeds. I don't really know if maybe this one is better than the one of Tomb 45, but I don't think so, because the blade of Tomb 45, I guess it's better than this one, and this blade for me it's not that good. Got LCD display here, as you can see. Yep. Now let's unbox the hair trimmer. This is the hair trimmer with the model number KM1385. Okay, got a 1400 milliamp battery, charging time 150 minutes, operating time also 150 minutes. Okay, and inside. Okay, RPMs, it's written got also 2 speeds. First speed 7000 RPMs, and second one 7500 RPMs. Yeah. So it comes with a manual as usual, USB-C, USB-C cable, and the same charging dock, as you can see. So you can magnet the two together with these 2 pins. So this is the hair trimmer. It's a reversed blade. I don't know. For many people, this maybe you need to get used to it before you can like this hair trim because of the reversed blade. You know. And if you watch, if you saw my tear down of this hair trimmer and the hair clipper, so you will see that you can put Babyliss blade on it. You can put TPOB blade on it also without any mod. So now let's make a sound check. Okay, my own opinion. Okay, this thing here, this hair clipper and this hair trimmer, both of them they are not good. But my own opinion, if you change this blade, the steel blade and the moving blade, if you change them, I guess it's good. So for this one, you cannot zero gap this hair trimmer. You cannot zero gap it, so it's not good. For me, it doesn't cut good. So if you change also the blade, it will be okay. That's my opinion. And yeah, I didn't change it and test it out. No, I didn't change this blade. No, I guess so. So that's it, and peace, man.